Noun numbers. There are two numbers in noun numbers, singular and plural. Single means one and plural means many. A noun standing for one person, animal, place or thing is said to be in the singular number. For example, a boy, a cat, the school, a book. A noun standing for more than one person, animal, place or thing is said to be in the plural number. For example, boys, cats, schools and books. In most cases, usually we form the plurals by adding s to the singular. For example, ball, balls, bird, birds, lion, lions, table, tables, toy, toys, chair, chairs. Nouns ending in o, ss, sh, ch or x form their plural by adding es. For example, mango, mangoes, glass, glasses, brush, brushes, watch, watches, box, boxes. Some nouns ending in o are of foreign origin. They perform their plurals by adding s. For example, cuckoo, cuckoos, dynamo, dynamos, piano, pianos, photo, photos. Nouns ending in y are preceded by a consonant form their plurals by changing their y into I and adding es. Means we change the y to ies to form the plural if the singular noun ends in a consonant plus y. For example, city, cities, army, armies, baby, babies, puppy, puppies. We change the y to s to form the plural if the singular noun ends in a vowel plus y. For example, boy, boy, boy. O is a vowel plus y. So we change y to s to form the plural. Likewise, toy, toys, monkey, monkeys. In monkey, before ye vowel is there, so we will put s to form the plural of monkey, monkeys. Nouns ending in f or fe drop their f or fe and add ves. For example, leaf, leaves, knife, knives, thief, thieves, wolf, wolves. However, some singular nouns ending in f change to the plural by adding s. For example, chief, chiefs, hoof, hoofs, dwarf, dwarfs, gulf, gulfs, safe, saves, proof, proofs. Some nouns ending in f can be used in both ways, like dwarf, dwarfs, hoof, hoofs. Some nouns form their plurals by changing their inside vowel, like men, men, woman, women, foot, feet, tooth, teeth, goose, geese, louse, lice. The following words form the plural by adding en with them. They are the exceptional words like ox, oxen, child, children. We do not add s or es along with them. Compound nouns generally add s to the main word to form their plural. When two nouns come together and make one word, such words are called as compound nouns, and we put s with the main words like governor general. In this, governor is the main word, so s will come along with governor. Son-in-law, sons-in-law. Passer-by, passers-by. Looker-on, lookers-on. Some nouns are plural in form and are used as singular nouns, like mathematics. The word mathematics ends with s, so it is a plural word in a plural form, but it is used as a singular noun. In the same way, economics, physics, news, machines, athletics, all these words are formed as plural but are used as singular nouns. Some nouns have their singular and plural alike, like deer, deer, sheep, sheep, fish, fish, cod, cod, fruit, fruit, and the word furniture has no plural. The words like pair, dozen, score, gross, 100, 1000 do not take an s when used after numerals, like 3 pairs of shoes, 3 dozen mangoes, 2 score of pencils, 2 gross of apples, 500 children, 9,000 rupees. Some nouns like names of instruments, articles of dress, games, diseases, and others are used only in the plurals, like scissors, pincers, tongs, spectacles, trousers, draughts, etc. Some nouns are singular in form but are used as plurals, like poultry, vermin, cattle, people. And peoples means nations. Many nouns from foreign languages make their plurals in that language, like index, indices, cactus, cacti, formula, formulae, memorandum, memoranda, phenomenon, phenomena, crisis, crisis.